Hello everyone. Today our topic is clipping path. We will make some important video which will helpful for beginner to expert. So like our video and subscribe our channel. So without waste any time, let's start our video session. Today we clip a product. So open the Photoshop, select file, click open and choose the photo from a folder. Select the photo. Now we create a path and we click Ctrl plus for zoom in, and now we select the pen tool. Before using the pen tool, we should activate the path and we select the path. There is two options, none and path 1. So our path is path 1, so we select the path 1 and click OK. The path is active now. Now we are using pen tool for clip our product. We start clip our product. When you will clip the product, so be careful about the every corner of the product. You should focus on every bend of the product. We want to increase the thickness. So path is complete. This is the clipping path. Take care. Goodbye.